In the world of Agile, the daily scrum or stand-up is a cornerstone event that reflects the essence of the methodology: focus, collaboration, and continuous value delivery. However, despite its apparent simplicity, the daily scrum can easily lose its effectiveness if not properly managed. As a scrum master, ensuring that this daily ritual stays true to its purpose is crucial for maintaining team alignment and productivity. At its core, the daily scrum is a short, time-boxed meeting where each team member answers three fundamental questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? Are there any impediments in my way? The goal is not to provide a detailed status report, but to synchronize the team's activities, surface any issues early, and ensure everyone is aligned toward the sprint goal. It's a moment for the development team to check in with each other, adjust their plans if necessary, and move forward with a clear understanding of the day's priorities. So, how to ensure the daily scrum stays true to its purpose? Developers can decide how to run the daily scrum, and they often have more detailed discussions throughout the day to update or change their work for the rest of the sprint. As long as the daily scrum stays focused on progress toward the sprint goal and ends with a clear plan for the next day, it helps the team stay focused and manage their work better. Daily scrums improve communication, spot problems early, help make quick decisions, and often reduce the need for extra meetings. So, what is the role of Scrum Master then? If the Scrum Master attends daily Scrum, their role should be that of a facilitator, not a director. The Scrum Master can observe how team is interacting, identify patterns or issues that may need addressing later, and ensure the meeting stays within the time box. However, they should refrain from steering the conversation or turning the meeting into a status update or the long discussion session. Scrum Master's role is to guide the team and ensure that daily Scrum remains focused and effective. The Scrum Master can ensure the daily Scrum takes place, but the developers are responsible for running the meeting. The Scrum Master guides them in meeting the daily Scrum within that 15 minutes time box. Daily Scrum is an internal meeting for the Scrum team. If others attend, the Scrum Master ensures they do not interfere with the meeting. Here are some strategies to help achieve this. 1. Time box meeting. The daily Scrum should be no longer than 15 minutes. If the team struggles to stay within this limit, it might be a sign that the meeting is veering off track. Encourage brevity and discourage deep dives into specific tasks. Number 2. Stick to the three questions. While it might be tempting to discuss broader issues or delve into problem solving, remind the team that the daily Scrum is not the time for that. Encourage team members to focus on the three questions and save detailed discussions for a separate meeting. Avoid turning your daily stand-up into a Scrum Master PO status update meeting. The daily Scrum is not a status report meeting for the Scrum Master or product owner. It's a meeting for the team to sync up. If the Scrum Master or PO starts directing the conversation, it can shift the focus away from the team's self-organization. Number 4. Rotate the facilitator. To prevent the daily Scrum from becoming monotonous or overly controlled by one person, consider rotating the facilitator role among team members. This can also help reinforce the idea that the meeting belongs to the team, not the Scrum Master. Number 5. Encourage transparency and honesty. The daily Scrum should be a safe space where team members feel comfortable sharing their progress and impediments. Foster an environment where honesty is valued and team members are not afraid to admit when they are stuck. Number 6. Keep the focus on the sprint goal. Remind the team that the purpose of the daily Scrum is to ensure progress toward the sprint goal. Encourage them to frame their updates in the context of how their work contributes to achieving that goal. To enhance the effectiveness of the daily scrum, consider implementing the following recommendations. Number one, start on time. Consistency is the key. Starting the daily scrum at the same time each day reinforces the routine and shows respect for everyone's time. Use a task board. Visual aids like a task board can help the team focused during the daily scrum. The team members can refer to the board when giving their updates, which can also help identify bottlenecks or tasks that need attention. Number three, stand up. The tradition of physically standing during the meeting helps keep it brief and focused. While not always possible in remote settings, encourage participants to remain standing if they are co-located or adopt a similar mindset in virtual meetings. Number four, encourage active participation. Everyone on the development team should contribute to the daily scrum. If someone is consistently silent or disengaged, consider having a one-on-one conversation to understand why and address any underlying issues. Number five, end with a quick check for impediments. Before concluding, do a quick check to ensure that any identified impediments are noted and will be addressed. This reinforces the idea that the daily scrum is about problem solving and moving forward. So now the question is, who should attend the daily scrum? According to the Scrum Guide, the daily scrum is an event for the development team and only members of the development team are required to attend. The Scrum Master and the product owner are optional attendees. However, if they do attend, their participation should be carefully considered to avoid undermining the team's autonomy. So, what is the role of product owner in the daily scrum then? Can he attend or she attend? The PO can attend the daily scrum as a silent observer, listening to the team's updates to gain insights into progress and potential roadblocks. This can be particularly useful for the PO to understand the state of the product and team's alignment with the sprint goal. However, the PO should avoid dominating the conversation or using the meeting to push their agenda. If the PO consistently participates in the daily scrum, it's essential to ensure they do in a way that supports the team rather than directing it. So, the ultimate question is your team staying true to the purpose? When in an agile setup I'm talking about. See, the effectiveness of the daily scrum is a reflection of how well the team is adhering to agile principles. If the meeting consistently runs over time, focuses on status updates rather than synchronization, or becomes a problem-solving session, it might be time to reassess and refocus on its true purpose. Regularly check in with the team to ensure the daily scrum is serving its intended function. That is, keeping everyone on the same page, surfacing impediments, and ensuring steady progress towards the sprint goal. Agile is all about delivering value in alignment with the purpose, and the daily scrum is a key mechanism for ensuring that happens. By staying true to the principles of the daily scrum, teams can maintain their focus, adapt quickly to changing circumstances, and deliver continuous value.